can remember how to solve this thing.
But it was a safety glasses.
They had some.
And it was the styles of what people were wearing at the time.
I didn't even know they had like Nike glasses and
All
stuff.
kinds of shit.
Those things are like $250.
What's that, Gucci and,
Yeah, they're not good to
yeah, whatever that is, I don't know. I don't think that's money to shit like that.
I'll probably just go to Walmart and get a pair.
I was Gucci glasses. I tried them out on having, it's a plastic fucking Gucci.
I can't see it's looking too different from us wearing like safety glasses.
I think them safety glasses have a good bit of if you sit like this and take them down and look, go back and see those deeper thin those glasses, I could not magnetizing it, not makes it big, but it kind of,
No, this is mine.
it does.
I have like a smudge on it.
Yeah.
Our safety glasses, yeah. I'll go in that cabinet and clean it. I'm sparring about it there. I'm back there on 4 and it's a target right now. And I've noticed that I was
That's
kind
not
of
right. I was on it, and it was freaking,
the actual one. Hey, I've been on it when it's actual doing it. But
Well, one of them is and one of them's
I
not.
noticed I'm going a little too fast on it, so I'm trying to slow down a little bit, and it's just making the time draw out.
You want to slow down.
Well, I slowed down by only doing one hand to load everything. But I'll be honest, I've gotten so used to it, I can still beat it with just one hand.
Because I try to do
Yeah.
that where you run one, you come over and run that, and let that burn or whatever for while you're doing it. That confuses the shit out of me. I said, forget it. I come